Hello my darlings, welcome back to my channel Sonam. In today's video we'll unbox and review the Jewel Grabox December 2019 edition. It's a jewelry subscription priced at ₹4.99 including shipping, so let's check out what all it has.
Please click the red subscribe button and the tiny little bell button right next to it so that you don't miss any of my videos.
This is how the package has reached me. So on the back of the box we have all the social media handles and the website address mentioned, and on the front it says Grabox. Once we open, we have the info card on all the products are inside this orange bag or pouch. So the first piece of jewelry is a huge long necklace with this pendant with black tassels. I'm not sure if the tassel color will be same for everyone, but everyone will receive such a similar design. And the work on this is quite nice, good finishing. And the chain is also pretty long, which I personally like. I like longer design patterns. Then after this there are 5 earrings, 3 ethnic and 2 modern patterns. First earring is this one, which is the biggest of them all. It's quite huge and in a combination of golden and silver, which is very versatile. You can pair this with all your saris and heavy lehengas or suits. The design is also like very versatile and ethnic pattern that will go with many outfits. It is decently heavy, not very lightweight, but it's not too heavy because the size is quite huge. Compared to that, it's not that heavy. You can see this is my hand. It's almost the size of my hand. So that's how big this earring is. So definitely a nice statement piece. You don't have to wear more jewelry along with this. This itself will cover you for the entire look. You can wear it during this festive season or to any party or any of the weddings or things like that. There is another similar piece which is again a statement piece and something that you can wear with ethnic wear, but this is a nice colorful one with oxidized silver. There is combination of orange and pink and a little bit of purple also here. Well, orange and pink is a very nice color combination. Many of you might be having suits or kurtis or lehengas in this color combination. I personally have a grey, pink and orange color combination, so personally I will be able to use this. Again, it's a statement piece. You can wear this on festive seasons, or if you're someone who likes wearing huge earrings or a lot of jewelry on daily basis, you can do that. You do yourself, do whatever you like. So when it comes to jewelry, it's completely up to you. But personally, in my opinion, this is something that I will wear on festive seasons or to special occasions, things like that. Then the last piece of ethnic jewelry is this one in a combination of gold and black, a very basic combination. Everybody has some or the other outfit in this combination. And this one is slightly smaller in size, still a statement piece, but something that you can wear casually also at home or to dinners and things like that. Again, ethnic wear design, suitable for suits, lehengas, kurtis and things like that. Then moving on to the modern design patterns, the first one is this very lightweight wooden earring. I love the pattern here and it's super lightweight. You won't even feel that you are wearing something, but it's quite huge in size. Again, as you can see, almost the size of my hand, slightly smaller but quite a huge size. So you can wear it as a statement piece, but something little subtle because it's not too shiny or anything. So if you're someone who likes wearing statement pieces, this will be something that will look classy as well. And finally, the last piece of jewelry is this one. This is a simple hoop earring which has a triangular pattern. It's in black metal finish. I do like hoop earrings personally, and this pattern is also unique and nice, but this is quite a huge size, which I feel you won't be wearing on everyday basis. You can wear this to dinners and things like that, but it will definitely look nice. So that was everything in my December 2019 Jewel Grabox. For a price tag of $4.99, it's definitely value for money because you're getting 5 earrings and a necklace. So you're paying below 100 rupees per piece, and considering all these pieces are quite huge in size, you would usually be paying somewhere at least around 150 to 200 in local market also. That's what I believe. I'm not really sure because the local market prices change as per the location, but I feel it's definitely value for money overall. And if you're someone who likes ethnic wear and who likes wearing statement pieces and chunky jewelry, this is definitely something that you will love. Personally, I did like this piece because it's quite classy, and this wooden earring and the hoop earrings. I will not be wearing them on a regular basis because these are definitely some things that are to be worn occasionally. But nevertheless, I will be able to wear most of the jewelry in this box in festive time or during wedding parties and things like that. If you like this box and are interested in getting it, then all details are mentioned in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. You'll also find a link to the giveaway running on my channel there. If you haven't already, please do check it out and participate. It's very simple and you can win some amazing hampers, so don't miss your chance. I hope you liked today's video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a like and some love in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then please do subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it.